Guys, I wanna show you my face powder na ginagamit. Ayan. Ayan, ito lang guys ang nagpapaganda sa akin. Ayan, dahil lalabas ako guys. Ayan. I put a little powder on my face. Ito yung aking ginagamit guys. Charan! Diba? I really love this guys. Ayan. My simple way of putting makeup on my face. Ayan, a little powder lang siya guys. Ayan. Ito yung, ayan o. Charan! I really love it guys. And then I have a new lipstick here. A matte color guys. At maroon color. Ayan, look. I really love the color guys. Look. Ayan. I love it. I buy this for only 350 pesos. Ayan guys. And then, ayan, I put a little amount of, guys. A little amount of, where is my blush on here? Ayan, my blush on guys na ginagamit. Ayan. My brush. Where is my brush? Ayan. So, this one guys. Ayan, my blush na ginagamit. I put a little blush on my face, on my cheeks. My simple way of putting makeup on my face. I really love it guys. Ayan. Konting ano lang guys. Ganitong ayos lang. Okay na. Ayan. I feel so beautiful na. So that's it. I'm finished guys. And then I will put the lotion guys because it's so hot. It's very hot outside guys. So lotion na ginagamit ko guys. Ayan. My collagen lotion. One of my favorite lotion guys. Ayan. For whitening. For my sun protection. I really love this kind of lotion guys. Ayan. Ayan. This one. Lotion na ginagamit ko guys. It's very smooth on my skin. Ayan, at saka mabango siya guys. The smell is so good. So yummy guys, the smell. Ayan, the smell guys is very ayan. Ito yung lotion na ginagamit ko guys. I really love it. Ayan, for whitening to siya guys. Ayan, it can, my skin. It can replenish. Ayan, smooth, very smooth siya sa skin guys. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. So, ayan, look. My skin becomes smooth now. And very, siya guys. Ang bango niya. Smells so good. So, I'm finished. Ayan guys, I'm ready to go na. Ayan kasi, lalabas muna ako guys. Bibili muna ako ng aking vitamins. Ayan kasi naubos yung mga vitamins ko guys. So, ayan. This is my simple outfit for today. Ayan. My simple makeup. Ayan. Ang ganda ko na guys. I feel so beautiful. Ay, diba? Pack na pack siya guys. I really love it. My fashion for today. My simple fashion for today. Ayan guys. So, ang ganda ko na. Ayan. Ganitong ayos lang guys. This is my simple way of putting makeup guys. I put a little lipstick, a little face powder, and then a little blush on. So that's it. This is me. This is my natural beauty. This is my natural beauty guys. So ayan, I'm finished. I'm ready to go na guys. My fashion for today, I really love it. I'm so happy. I feel so beautiful today guys.